G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward everyone. Today I've just popped in from the Patchwork chair. We're going to be doing lots of chats from the Patchwork chair moving forward. But today I'm here to invite you all to a coffee morning. Now I usually do these with my masterclass students, but I thought it might be beneficial. We've got so many new followers and there might be questions you want to ask me. Now the way that we do it is that you post any questions you may have for me in the comments below this video. I let it sit there for a couple of days. I go through them all and then I will come back, create a whole new video and address those questions personally. So it's not quite alive. I'm not quite there yet. I'm waiting for my daughter to come back from Bali. She's over there working on her fashion line. When she comes back, she will help me with doing some lives. This is her little girl, Cupie. A lot of you have followed me on the channel for years and you know little Cupie. She's with me today. She likes to be in the limelight and gives me some courage. So what I'm going to get you to do is ask your questions, as I said, in the comments below. Now you can ask me anything personal. You can ask me about my work, my history. You can ask about what we're doing in Pay It Forward moving ahead, and also techniques, issues you might be having, all of those burning questions you might have been having, and I will address as many of them as I can. Can I get you all to give me your name and where you're from so that I can reference you in our answer video? So I'm going to see you all back here in a few days. Can't tell you exactly when, it will be in a few days, and I will answer as many of your questions as I can. So look forward to seeing you all then. It's hooroo for now.